Hello, everyone. My name is Bryce Payton, and this is my personal goals video presentation. So, to start off, a little bit about me. This is me and my wife and my two kids. I'm married to my wife, Hannah. Two little girls. Parker is 5, and Hallie is 2. She'll be turning 3 here in a month or so. We do have a new addition coming in June, baby boy. So very thankful for that. Um, we currently live in Wathena, Kansas, which is in the far northeast part of the state. Enjoyed time off and weekends with my family and friends, and we all are diehard KU fans. So my educational background. Graduated from Wathena High School in 2010. I started my undergrad and finished my undergrad at Washburn University in 2015. Currently working at Riverside USD 114 in Wathena and Elwood. This is my 8th year teaching, 7th in PE. My first year was in the special ed department, 3 through 5 in that district when I was employed with a co-op, but in the Riverside district, and the physical education job came open the following year, and I accepted that position. So I've been in there for 7 years. Current high school football and head baseball coaches at Riverside. So some of my goals for personally in the next 1 to 5 years, obviously would be to complete my family whenever our son comes in June. Being able to do that, manage my time a little bit better. Obviously, with having 3, that will pose some interesting times. Make me be able to manage my time a little bit better. And 6 to 10, be more stable financially and educationally, as well as just in my family. But just being more stable and having things a little bit maybe not so hectic in 6 years or so. Continue to be involved in my church in 10 plus years, just to enjoy time with my kids as they grow. Something we cannot get back is our time, and that's what makes us, at least me as an educator, love it so much, as I'm able to have holidays and time off with my family and my kids. So that means a lot to me, and it will continue for many years. So professionally, 1 to 5 years, I'd like to obviously complete this master's program and pass the test to be certified as an administrator. Volunteer for teams and committees. Right now our district is getting ready to consolidate. Well, not consolidate, but flip-flop around their transition from moving our middle school in with our high school, as we are in 2 different locations, and there's some committees and teams that I wish I would have volunteered for to be on for this transition. So things like that, and any other sit teams or anything else that building leadership teams and stuff like that that my district could use me in any ways possible. So in 6 to 10 years, continue professional development in my field. That starts with our district, but it also starts with me being up to date in physical education and administration as well. Be a mentor to younger and newer educators. I think I need to be out there to put my arm around some of the newer teachers and help them in any way that I can. And 10 plus years, I obviously want to look towards the move into an administration role. I'm not super interested in the near future, but closer to retirement time, whenever I'm done coaching, that's when I would like to start making the transition. So why I chose Fort Hays. I've known a couple others that have completed graduate programs. It was the most cost efficient that I could find. Fort Hays' program was all virtual, which allowed me to do it from Northeast Kansas, obviously, and not have to travel anywhere, do night classes or anything like that. So it was very convenient for me and my family. And the courses were 8 weeks versus semester long, and allowed me to get through much easier and plan stuff out a little bit easier and better for me personally. And lastly, my initial expectations for this program were just gaining knowledge about various topics and what administration is responsible for. Obviously, I knew a little bit, but this is diving into every aspect that I've learned so far on what I will be needing to do in the future. Learn how to be an even better, more effective school leader, and build relationships and network for years to come. I think the biggest thing for this program has helped let me network and get to know teachers that are doing the exact same thing as me all over the state and parts of the country. So, as well as networking and building those relationships with our faculty that never know I could run into in the future. So, thank you very much.